Hi folks, this is your MWIS Fleeting View looking into the weekend. There's a good deal of dry and warm weather in the forecast, but we can't quite escape the risk of some localised heavy afternoon showers, even an isolated thunderstorm possible through the weekend. Wind speeds are mostly light, generally as east or northeasterlies. Some rather complex weather patterns around at the moment, weak weather fronts drifting around slowly, mostly a fine day across the Highlands on Friday. Some strong sunshine, some hazy high cloud in the mix and just bubbling up enough to produce one or two showers by the afternoon. Very locally, this could give a heavy burst of rain, even thundery, across more western regions. Many places will avoid these though, but just watch for that developing. Some local patchy fog could be around across some easternmost coastal hills, especially in the borders down to the Cheviots, and locally even in the far northwest of the Highlands some coastal fog may just be around. A rather gusty easterly wind across central and southern parts of Scotland into northern England as well. A weak front responsible for rather cloudy and murky conditions across England and Wales early in the day, some patchy light rain and drizzle, that tending to fade and brighten up, but one or two heavy showers just developing locally in more western parts of England and Wales onward during the afternoon. Light winds further south through Wales and across the south of the Pennines. Into the weekend, and pressure is fairly high, and many places again will see fine conditions, with that risk once more of some localised afternoon showers, and these again could just give a heavy or even thundery burst drifting around slowly. A slightly greater risk toward the eastern half of the Highlands during Saturday afternoon, and also across Wales as well, especially further toward the south. A bit more in the way of cloud at times here. Some low cloud could be drawn in across the Pennines for a while on that fresher easterly breeze in this part of the world. Light winds overall for most of the Highlands. A few cloud banks could be around the northwestern Highlands though, just under a weak cold front. A few spits and spots of rain locally, but still a reasonably bright day. Temperatures at their warmest in more central parts of the Highlands, a touch cooler in the northwest compared to just recently. High pressure is toward the north on Sunday. The wind flow circulating around that is a gentle north to northeasterly across the Highlands. It could just mean that it feels a bit cooler across those more north and eastern hills, and a bit fresh on the eastern half of the Pennines and the Cheviots as well, with that onshore wind from the northeast, rather breezy at times across the tops. Most places dry with a good deal of sunshine. Again, just an isolated risk of a shower. I think a very low risk by this stage. Most places likely dry all the way through, and the hills and mountains broadly free of low cloud. A few local fog banks could be around, mainly near to the coasts. All your local details for the 3 days ahead can be found on our website. That is your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.